The blaze is burning through dry, dense vegetation with such force that it's pulled in an army of 3,500 firefighters.
You look up the mountain where the fire has been burning and it looks like a volcano and it just doesn't stop.
Dennis Burns is a fire behavior expert.
I've seen some fire behavior that I've never experienced this early in the fire season.
The steep front lines of the fire are only accessible by air, by foot, and today by a mountain tram. The hotshots are working grueling 14-hour shifts. Arroyo Grande hotshot Mike Hickey.
It's real labor intensive. It's probably the hardest way of fighting fires. It's the old-fashioned way with Pulaskis and chainsaws, but you have to have the boots on the ground to get around the fire.
Tyler Freeman spent the night building containment lines.
It's a lot of loose dirt and a lot of slick rocks up there, so it's easy to slip around on stuff.
Scattered showers have brought some much-needed moisture, but the threat of thunderstorms and erratic winds has many on edge. Similar weather conditions killed 19 firefighters in Arizona last month.
It just kind of makes me go back maybe a second or a third time and make sure that I've done the best job that I possibly could.
You carry quite a burden on your shoulders.
I don't sleep well at night.
Due to all the aircraft needed to reach the blaze, the cost of fighting this fire is already over $12 million. But officials say they're finally gaining the upper hand, and they expect to have this fully contained by Friday. Teresa Garcia, CBS News, Mountain Center, California.